Hello everyone, great to see you back on our channel. Many of us have been in this position before. When we are looking for a new car, we are often confused whether to buy it outright or go for a lease option. So today, we're discussing 10 reasons why leasing or renting a car might make more sense than buying one. First is depreciation. Cars depreciate quickly. Leasing allows you to avoid the financial impact of this inevitable decline in value. Second, up-to-date models. Leasing ensures you're always driving a newer model equipped with the latest technology and safety features. Third, lower monthly payments. Leasing often results in lower monthly payments compared to buying, making it more budget-friendly. Fourth, maintenance costs. Leases often include maintenance plans saving you from unexpected repair costs. Fifth, flexibility. Leasing provides flexibility. You can switch cars every few years without the hassle of selling. Sixth, no long-term commitment. If your lifestyle or needs change, you're not stuck with a car that no longer suits you. Seventh, tax benefits. For business use, lease payments can often be deducted, providing potential tax benefits. Eighth, less upfront cost. Leasing usually requires less upfront cost than buying, freeing up your cash for other uses. Ninth, avoidance of selling. With leasing, you return the car at the end of the lease, avoiding the hassle of selling. 10th, limited mileage. If you don't drive much, leasing can be a cost-effective option due to limited mileage agreements. That's it for today. Remember, the best choice depends on your personal needs and circumstances. Stay safe and happy driving.